Hey everybody, it's Unimatrix here, and in today's video I'd like to provide my tips and tricks on finding the best icons for the Stream Deck, as well as how to customize them. The Stream Deck is a hardware product from the company Elgato, based out of Germany. It is essentially a macro pad with a screen behind the buttons for easy customization. The software is robust in options, allowing for the creation of simple app shortcut buttons and more complicated macro buttons, along with a plugin library for community-developed functionality. It will improve most users' productivity, even if you aren't a streamer or content creator. This macro pad is driven using icons, therefore choosing the right icons are essential so you can identify what key does what on the Stream Deck. The icons need to convey what pressing the button will do. Picking the right icons can take the Stream Deck from good enough to wow, this is great. The first thing that you need to know about the Stream Deck and icons is where to find the icons for your games and programs. One of the best places to find icons for your specific program or game is on images.google.com. I would highly recommend adding this text to the end of your search: icon, transparent, PNG. This will help bring up results that have a transparent background, meaning they will stack nicely with other icons or pictures. I would type in Steam icon transparent PNG and hit enter. From here I can pick the one that best suits my needs and download it. I can download it by right-clicking on the picture and selecting the option Save Image As. It will save the image to my Downloads folder. Some other fun kinds of icons to find on images.google.com are animated ones. If you're looking for an animated icon for your volume profile, I would recommend searching something like Volume Animated GIF. Then it's just a matter of picking one and downloading it. Now I want to show you a website I'm really excited about. It is one of, if not the best icon resource on the internet. The website address is www.thenounproject.com, and the website was set up to create a global visual language that unites us, a language that allows quick and easy communication no matter where you are or who you are. This is hands down the best website to find icons that describe various nouns, much like the title of the project suggests. Membership to the Noun project is free, and the icons are free to download for personal use at a smaller file size. The file size is no consequence to us, as it has more than enough resolution for our use. Let's say we wanted to create a button on the Stream Deck which opened Windows settings. We could simply search for settings on the website and peruse the thousands of options which come up. Each is anywhere from dramatically different from the others to only small differences between them. From there, it's merely a matter of selecting the icon you want, then clicking on Get this icon and selecting Basic Download, and then Continue. Click on the PNG button and the icon will be downloaded to your Downloads folder. One of the things I've done with my own Stream Deck is to identify my folder or profile keys and the other different kinds of keys with a smaller icon laid over a larger application or game icon. So for instance, I use this icon as a smaller one laid over a larger one to signify the larger one will take me to a profile or folder for whichever app or game the larger icon was for. Now I'd like to show you how you can easily create your own icon edits using a tool provided by Elgato called the Key Creator. You can get to it one of two ways. The first is via its web address at www.elgato.com/en/keycreator, or the other way is directly through the Stream Deck app. In the icon preview window, when you click on the down arrow, select the option Create New Icon. From there, you will be taken to the Key Creator website. From the Key Creator's webpage, it is very easy to create your own icons. You will see that right under the Compose window, there is a series of 4 buttons. Each one adds a different element to the composer. We'll start by using the second one in, the Add an Image button. From here we will navigate to the folder where we saved all our icon downloads to. Now notice at the left of the screen that the new element is listed. How the elements are listed are their order of stacking in the Compose window. So to reorder elements, you would simply click and drag the element to where you want it. The first button on the left will let you add text to the icon, like this. The third button is for adding a colored background, like this. Finally, the fourth button is to add a gradient to the icon, like this. Notice how the gradient applies to anything below it. If I move it to just in front of the background color, it will create a nice gradient effect on the background color. Once you have completed your icon, it's simply a matter of clicking Save Key located on the right side of the screen across from the preview. Now let me quickly demonstrate how you use custom icons on the Stream Deck. It's very easy to do. First, you'll want to open the Stream Deck application by moving to the notification area of the taskbar, expanding it, and then double-clicking on the Stream Deck icon. From there, you choose the button you want to customize the icon on, and press the small down arrow in the top right corner of the icon preview. Then it's simply a matter of clicking on Set from File. Then you navigate to where you have the icon saved and double-click on your selection. You should now see the new icon reflected on your physical and virtual Stream Deck. I'd recommend using the resources provided to create icons which help keep you organized. One way I keep myself organized on my Stream Deck is to use common images to link icons which act similarly. For instance, you might add a folder icon to a main icon image to signify that it's a folder related to whatever program the main icon represents. Another idea for keeping similar icons visually distinct from others is to use a common background color for the icons. Some tips I can leave you with when it comes to the Stream Deck is to firstly practice getting used to the editor of your choice. Whether it's the Key Creator from Elgato or something more sophisticated like Adobe Photoshop. Pick images that clearly convey their meaning. Layer your icons in your editor to define more complex actions on your Stream Deck. Use colors to organize icons together, so similar functionality gets similar colors. For instance, you could use a blue background on all your icons, which will open an app, or you could organize program shortcuts by which menu they are, like File or Edit. Let's recap. We learned what a Stream Deck is and why icons are important on it. Google Images and the Noun project were introduced by what task they are best suited for. We went over how to download icons from both sites. We also learned how to use the Elgato Key Creator to customize our icons. I showed you how to add the custom icons to your Stream Deck.
If you found this video informative, I'd greatly appreciate it if you could mash that like button. If you like videos like this one, don't forget to subscribe for more content in the future. Thank you so much for watching. Check me out on Twitch sometime at Unimatrix00TTV and keep on creating.